Hi, I'm going to show you how to do an oil cleanse for your face. While I'm doing it, I'm going to tell you why you should do an oil cleanse and which oil to choose if you have clogged pores like me. First, you take a washcloth and you put it in a bowl of hot water to soak and warm up while you're doing your cleanse. Then you take your oil. I'm using hemp oil. Use about a quarter of a teaspoon. And just rub it gently all over your face. And massage your skin in little circles like this with your fingertips. It might seem crazy to use oil on your face if you have clogged pores. I totally understand that. But what oil does is it gets into your pores and it mixes with the sebum that's causing, if you have clogged pores, your sebum is too thick. And so it's mixing with that sebum and it's kind of allowing it to thin out a little bit and then just kind of come out on its own. So oil cleanses are particularly good for people who have clogged pores. And the reason I'm choosing hemp oil is because hemp oil is very, very high in linoleic acid, which is what your sebum is lacking if you are tending to, if your pores are tending to clog a lot. So you want to raise the linoleic acid levels in your sebum. And a great way to do that is to apply hemp oil, just topically. You can also take it orally, and that helps too, but that takes longer. So if you apply it topically, you're essentially mixing linoleic acids into your sebum so it can thin out and do what sebum is supposed to do, which is flow out and flow across your face and protect and moisturize your face. So the length of time you would do an oil cleanse is just based on what your goals are. If you have makeup on and you just want to take your makeup off, you could do this for like a minute and a half. If you're just cleansing your face with no makeup, you can do this for 30 seconds or however long you want to. I've done it for 20 minutes before. After a while, you can actually feel the little sebum plugs coming out. They feel like little grains of sand under your fingers. Okay, so when you have massaged your face as much as you feel necessary, grab your warm washcloth and place it over your face. Just for a minute, and then wipe all oil off your face. And do it again. You want to get all this oil off because the oil now contains all of that dissolved sebum and pollutants and grime and soil and whatever you have on your face from the day. So make sure you get it all off. And that's it. You can tone and moisturize if you like after, but I usually just leave it like this. And it's really good moisturizer also if you have older or drier skin. Not only are you getting the benefits of the thinner sebum that you're going to be creating with that extra linoleic acid, but you're also giving your face a great moisture treatment. So it does it all. Hemp oil does it all. Thank you so much for watching.